done. Okay, so these are our cookies, guys. Just get them. Let's remove them. This is my last batch. So yeah, so this is where I'm keeping them. I want them to first cool down, so I'll keep them in the container after like 1 hour. Fridge, keep it in the fridge, okay? Ramadan Mubarak, Akul Muslim. Ramadan Mubarak. Guys, Ramadan Kareem. Should I put on a buyer? Then I'm going to be cooking. Yeah, I'm going to be cooking for now. I'm going sure. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing okay. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahma. If you're new here, we are welcoming Ramadan in style, in happiness, in everything. Yeah, Ramadan, it is holy month of Islam. Okay, so we're always waiting for this as we. Okay, so I'm taking this chance to wish everyone Ramadan Kareem. So today I'm going to be doing a pre-cooking. Okay, I'm going to prepare with you some recipes which you can put aside. Okay, so I have like how many? I'll be making juice with you. Yeah, for those one, for that I can keep it. Ramadan is in 1 or 2 days, so this is the right time to prepare some recipes, because you don't know how it will happen, how the first day will be, how the second day will be. So since I have time, I'm going to be doing with you everything. So I'll be doing the juice. I'll be making some cookies. There is a new recipe of cookies I discovered, and it is working for us here very, very well. Mr. love it so much. So yeah, I'm planning to do that. Also cookies. Then I'll make our coleslaw. Yeah, this is the cabbage. So we have a signature coleslaw also, which has chicken strips. So I'll be doing that, and I'll do also the rolls, the spring rolls. Yeah, spring roll, the vegetable one. So yeah, sit down, watch the full video, and see how I'll be making everything. 4 recipes in one. Am I ready for that? But I now do it. So I was planning to start with juice. Which one can I start? Should I start with marinating? It's kind of frozen. Yeah, marinating the chicken for the strips. This is a breast, so I have to cut it to get the strips and marinate it. Or these are the vegetables we're going to be dealing with. I'll fry some also potatoes, yeah, Irish, and add with this to spice everything out. Then this is the peppers we are going to use to make the rolls. Okay, so yeah, then for the juice, I'm going to be making oranges, orange, carrot, passion fruit, and what should I add? Some beetroots. Yeah, I'll add some beetroot also. So that's what I'm going to be dealing with. So let us start with our recipe and see how we are going to do everything. I don't know, I still don't know what I should start with, but I think let me start with if I start with the juice, it's going to mess the whole place here. If I start with the so let me start with the coleslaw. Yeah, let us start with the cabbage. Then we shall be doing, I think also I can do the cookies. Meanwhile, since I'm going to be using the cookies, I use the air fryer to make the cookies. Yeah, so if you have the air fryer and you don't have, maybe you don't have oven, and you'll be like, no, how am I doing? So I'm using the air fryer. Yeah, good thing about that one. Also, I had forgotten to tell you more about that. So air fryer cookies, very nice, very cutie. Okay, so let us start, guys. Start now. So you have to leave this one and get cooled down. Okay, you have to leave it and cools down. Okay, cool down, become cold. Standard, right? English. So let us start with our rolls. Okay, so these are the papers. So I'm doing vegetable. I don't know how you make your veggies, but this is how I want my veg. So I think I'm not going to use all. This is how they look like. So let us start rolling. So I'll just load that and keep it in the fridge. In the freezer, not fridge, sorry. these cookies. It's a must try. A must try. Guys, there is eggs. I think I didn't show you when I'm putting eggs, but there is eggs. After mixing the sugar and butter together, you have to add eggs. Yeah, vanilla for the flavor, but there is eggs. Yeah, I don't want to cheat you guys, but thank you for cooking with me. Ramadan Karim. Me now, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm so ready. I can't wait to share with you some of the recipe I will be sharing, inshallah. But for the pre one, it is done. Snacking, suhoor, done. All those are the recipes you saw. Juice, made some cookies, I made coleslaw, then we made spring rolls. Guys, you can make spring rolls at home. You can either make chicken, you can make like chicken strips, the one I made, then put like some spices and some, then you have to cut them, or you can make minced meat, anything for spring rolls. But for me, I prefer vegetable. It is very yummy. Yeah, that was that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Ramadan Mubarak. Bye bye. Subscribe, please, share, like, leave a comment. Bye bye.